Okay, everything is connected now, and it is pulsing, but my accuracy on this pulse is off because it's not carrying all the way through. See, the position of this guy is, I can't adjust this a little bit before, a little bit after, because this sets the whole thing off. This decides when it's supposed to send the electrical charge through this pulse here in order to send the magnetic field into this guy. Like, I can feel it really going boom, boom, boom in my fingertip. But is it going off when the magnet is at about this point, in which case it's creating a pushing force to stop it, to slow it down? What I want is when it gets closer to this point, so it creates that push effect. Plus, it's a question of angle. I mean, this is 90 degrees to the magnet, which is probably not ideal. This should probably be tilted this way a little bit further. But, I mean, lots of fine-tuning. However, this crazy setup is working. Maybe I haven't... Turn that down. I don't know, got lots of fiddling to do now that we have something that's functional. It's a good start. Wish me luck.